SEO involves a wide range of principles and practices, methods and techniques, from social media to blogging, optimization, on-page optimization, off-page optimization. There are so many different things involved today with SEO that to some people it can be dizzying. But what I wanted to introduce you first are to the two core concepts that are involved with all of the work that you're going to do as an SEO. Those two core concepts are to forge value and to build trust. So that's what you're going to be doing as an SEO, and that's what I'm going to teach you how to do and to do it really, really well. Now, I know that there's a lot of people that tout overnight rankings, 1,000 visitors in 1 month or 1,000 visitors in 1 week to your website per day. Now, that's possible only if you have a little bit of age behind you. And now I'm going to explain all those concepts a little bit later. And we're going to get into a lot of the viral marketing strategies and just how to do what needs to be done in order to rank fast, but to do it the right way without bending and breaking Google's many rules. So these two concepts of forging value and building trust are going to be at the heart of everything that you do. And all that I'm going to be teaching you are going to revolve around these two core concepts. So why is this so important? Well, recently so much has changed with Google's search engine. So many different algorithm adjustments have been put into play. Maybe you've heard about them. They take on strange names like the Google Panda, the Google Penguin, Hummingbird, all those other names that we're going to talk about a little bit later. But all of these things have happened because of Google's main desire to increase the value of the web. Its mission is to organize the world's information and make it accessible to everybody. But it wants to be able to do that and to increase the value of the web as time goes on. So we're going to discuss kind of why this is very, very important to Google and what's happened, with those algorithm adjustments and, just who was bending and breaking the rules, and now how important it is to have Google's trust and how quickly you can both lose that trust and, of course, gain that trust. But there's many, many different things that need to be done in order to instill these two core concepts into the work. And just wanted to present these two concepts to you guys in the beginning here so that you understand that everything we're going to be doing is going to be revolving around these. Now, I want you to also understand that in SEO, you have to think about your work as doing the most amount of work for the least initial return, at least in the beginning, not trying to do the least amount of work with the most return. And that's where a lot of people fail with SEO, is they really try to take some shortcuts and do the minimum possible, and they end up getting burned for doing that. But I'm going to teach you how not to do that and the best principles and practices and what pitfalls to watch out for. So that's where we're going to go from.